What's up, guys? Crypto Wolf here. How you guys doing? In this particular video, we'll be doing Bitcoin price analysis. It's a very short video. We just want to talk about where is Bitcoin headed next. Right around this very a few minutes ago, President Donald Trump announced a temporary pause in tariffs for 90 days for some countries. So that's why you're seeing this spike. So a lot of people are rushing into the market. Even the S&P 500 had also spiked. Um, the S&P 500 has spiked to same way the it's called SPX. So the S&P 500 has spiked. um so it's just a reflection of the general market sentiment. So people are just, you see, people are just rushing in, trying to get the bottom of the market, which is why everything is actually spiking at the moment. If we look at BTC chart, the big question is, where are we going at this point? You can see that it has BTC has hit this resistance point. This resistance formed for about, it took a while, took about, I think about 2 weeks from here all the way down here. It took about 12 days to 14 days for it to form. Started around February 28th, then finally broke down around um, March, April 5th. So if you look at this was around, let's just consider here around March. So March to April. But if you're considering here, it started from February. So this area is a significant area of concern. And if you look at it, Bitcoin is still in the downtrend. Still in the downtrend. It hasn't gotten to an uptrend yet. Still very much in the downtrend, except it breaks um out of this channel. We call this a channel. So except it kind of breaks out of this. If it breaks out of this, then we can say, oh, there is actually a reversal. But if it doesn't break out, there's a possibility it will continue further down to retest the historic support at 69k. Because if you look at it, the market is quite uncertain at the moment. The US has lost trust in terms of a trading partner or even anything business wise, because everybody is just trying to get a more reliable partner, which is going to affect the market and affect available cash for people to get into assets like Bitcoin. So I still believe we'll get to the historic support right around this area. I could be wrong, because if it breaks out of this area, then no possibility that we may there is absolutely no possibility that it will get to 69k. That if it breaks above this parallel channel, this top and bottom channel, if it breaks out to the upside, then there is a possibility that the trend has reversed, and the histogram confirms it. And the divergence, there's RSI divergence on a higher time frame, like either the daily or the weekly, just confirms that there has been a breakout, most likely on the daily, because this is a corrective wave going down. So if there's a breakout in the daily and RSI divergence and a MACD confirmation, then it means that this downtrend is over. This is Crypto Wolf. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.